Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a loungewear haul and loads of other little bits. It's basically like a vlog, so I don't know what's going to go in here because obviously I've just started recording. I'm having a really bad hair day today, so if I keep touching my hair and like doing this, that's why. Honestly, my hair is so disgusting today. It looks like a bit straight, a bit soggy. I'm also making a care package for my best friend. So my best friend works in the NHS and she told me about the work she's been doing, and like it broke my heart to hear like what the kind of things that she's been doing, and like I felt really bad because I'm just sitting at home like not doing anything and she's out there, you know, helping the planet. So I thought I'd make her a little care box. I'll show you guys me making that because I thought that would be quite fun, quite cute, you know. Might deliver it to her today. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Also guys, I basically ordered some bits from Body Shop that came today and I thought I'd show you what I got. So number one is the ginger shampoo. So your girl has dandruff, so gotta get rid of that. This, the vitamin C Body Shop, whatever, you can read it. Then I got some tea tree oil, keeping those spots away. This is like the best spot treatment. And then I also bought this, which is something new. I haven't tried this one, but I thought I would give it a go. This is what it looks like and I use it today and it feels really nice. So I mean, we'll see if it makes me look any younger. I'm gonna make my care package for my best friend, but I need to find a box. I have these pictures that I printed out like a while ago, because basically I like to print out pictures from my phone because I'm always scared, like what if my phone dies, you know, like what's gonna happen if I don't have my pictures. So luckily I have these printed. That's from my birthday, that's just when Jasmine had a performance, and then that's again for my birthday. So I think that'll be quite nice to put it, decorate the box with it, maybe I'll put it inside. And I really want to get it done today because then I can deliver it to her. This is the only box I have. It's my like Chanel box, but basically it's like this because I just wiped it with some Dettol wipes because, you know, I'm trying to be clean. I don't know if I should stick the pictures on top of the box and put it inside. Like, oh, I could stick it here. That would be really cute. Also, this is what her lip gloss came in, and it has like, I chose two samples. There's two samples in there that I chose, but I think it's so cute. But like, do I just put it in like that because then that takes up the whole thing? Got her a face mask. I've always wanted to try this one. It's a hydrating one. I thought it would be good. Got her a jade roller because I love using these in the morning and they're like really soothing on the face. And then I bought her this cream. So this cream is like a holy grail for anyone with dry skin, will save you. So I got her this because I know that it's really moisturising. I also got her this Carmex limited edition. Wow. It's a sugar plum lip balm. She loves Carmex, so I thought why not put that in there. And then obviously I'm going to include the Chanel lip gloss. It's actually fitting really well. I spray some of my favourite perfume in the box. So when she opens it, it smells really good. Oops, that should be enough. I want to write her like a little card in there just to say thank you. And I found this. So this is what Gucci sent me. I think like it was Christmas time. So it's these little little cards, and they come with envelopes, I think. Let me have a look. That's gonna be so cute. And look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna write my message for her on here. Chanel. It looks like I got her something from Chanel, but it's literally the only shoebox I had left, and I thought I'd wrap it up in some ribbon, and I only had Chanel ribbon. I'm gonna tell her before, I'm like, it's not Chanel. Maybe I'm gonna like put a post-it note saying this is not Chanel, it's just the only shoebox I had left. Because imagine like thinking it's Chanel and opening it up and it's just like skincare. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Topshop. So literally, I've been waiting so long for this package to arrive, but I'm so excited. Okay, first thing I ordered are these jogging bottoms. So these are like a yellow. Oh, I love, oh my god, they're so soft. Oh, It's like a blanket. Yeah, so these are the 90s like jogging bottoms. I'm going to try them on now. Okay, so these are the jogging bottoms. I bought a top that goes with it better, so I'll show you that now. Okay, so this is the top that I got. It's the Razorback top. So I think this is so cute. This is like such just like summery vibes. I got these pink socks because basically right now on my Instagram I'm trying to do a pink feed. Oh yeah, check out my Instagram. My Instagram is NOORIE, so I'll leave a link down below. Okay, so these are the socks. They say Love Struck on them. I'm going to put them on now because I'm actually not wearing any socks. So I bought a pink version of this and I bought some grey versions of these, so I'm going to show you those and I'm going to put them on. Okay, so this is the pink one. I did expect it to be like a babyish pink, but I think because the grey is quite light grey, like it works. The next thing is actually not loungewear, it's a blazer, but it was on offer and I love a good blazer. It's not loungewear, but it's for when we come out this quarantining. So this is the blazer. So I would wear it like a blazer dress or maybe like some cycling shorts underneath. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's my kind of vibe, it's like what I would wear. But I feel like when we come out of this lockdown we'll be in summer. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I like it, but I'm at the same time, imagine like with a little like, oh, hi, my name's NOORIE. That's everything I got. That's the haul done. I thought I bought a lot more, but obviously I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna see now if my mum will take me to Jasmine's house. Also, I'm gonna check with Jasmine to see what time she'll be home. Okay, so I just messaged Jasmine to ask her what time would be good to FaceTime her. But I'm gonna FaceTime her, but I'm gonna be outside her house and be like, sis, go outside. And then guess who's gonna be there? Me with a package. This is the first time I've stepped out of my house and look how nice these flowers are that are growing outside my house. I didn't even notice these before. Okay, so I'm in the car now on the way to Jasmine's house to deliver her care package. So I just FaceTimed Jasmine and she's coming down now and she was screaming. She needs to put trousers on because she was FaceTiming me without any pants on, but she's coming down now and yeah, we're gonna keep our distance. But I'm excited. I just gave Jasmine her present and she was so happy and it was so cute, and I feel so sad that I couldn't hug her because I really wanted to just give her a big hug. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen making Vietnamese spring roll. So this is a salmon ready to go in the oven, just seasoned with some salt and pepper and some lemons underneath it. The prawns in here, coriander, carrots, cucumber. I'm going to show you how to make fish sauce. Here is some fish sauce. And then you want some garlic in here, like so. You want a pot of boiling water. And then you want 2 limes, chopped chili, 5 tablespoons of sugar. So you're going to dissolve 5 tablespoons of sugar. It sounds like a lot, but it is necessary. So I've mixed the sugar in, and then what you want to do is you want to get 5 tablespoons of the garlic, the fish sauce. So this fish sauce is what's going to make everything so tasty. I'm going to add the garlic. Gross, I don't speak the garlic.
Understand me? Well, hello. I don't speak Tagalog, please.
I'm going to add the garlic in.
Speak Tagalog.
Garlic, sugar, water, you know. Then I'm going to add my chilies. And then I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. So I'm just going to squeeze that in. Oh yeah, this is called Nut Mum, by the way. It's a Vietnamese dipping sauce, like fish sauce. So now that my hands are washed, I'm going to show you how to make your spring roll. Get your rice paper. I'm going to dip it into the boiling water. Like so. Put it on the plate. And then you're going to fill it with some noodles. And then I'm going to put some salmon. And then some prawns. You can put them on here. And then I'm going to add some omelette. I think that's enough. Got to get the vegetables in. Some carrots. Some coriander and lettuce. I haven't done this in a long time, guys, so it might not be the best. Okay. It's like a burrito. So then you get the sauce that I showed you earlier to make, the Nut Mum. So good. Guys, look at this insane sunset. Guys, I'm going to do my outro like this because guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to get undressed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave everything in the link down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.